Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Sane. We're going to look at our high frequency words again today. I'm going to say the word out loud and you read it along with the card. A, and, go, got, not, the, to, will, and you. All right, after this video, I want you to look in your reading kit, the stapled packet, and I want you to find your list of warm-up words. That's the high frequency words. You also have another piece of paper that has separate alphabet letters that you can cut out, and I'd like you to try practicing your high frequency words by building those words with your letter cards. All right. Now, let's practice listening for individual sounds in a word. We can hear the sounds at the beginning and the middle and the end. So let's practice listening for those sounds. Now, the first word that I want you to listen to is the word fog. Fog. What's the beginning sound in the letter or the word fog? If you said F, you are correct. What is the ending sound that you hear in the word fog? Fog. Fog. G. If you said G, you are correct. But what's that middle vowel sound that we hear in fog? Fog. Fog. If you said a short O, you are correct. Fog has a short O sound. We have a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern in the word fog. Let's go for another one. How about cup? Cup. What's the first sound that you hear in the word cup? K, k, k. If you said the consonant C, you are correct. Now let's listen for the ending sound. Cup. Cup. Do you hear that P at the end? What letter makes the P sound? If you said P, you're correct. Now let's listen for that middle vowel sound. K, up, k, up, If you said U, you are correct. Cup has a short U sound in the middle of it. It is also a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. One more word. Let's try something that we always put into our car. Gas. Gas. What sound do you hear at the beginning of gas? G, G. If you said G, you're correct. What sound do you hear at the end of the word gas? Gas. You said S. You are absolutely right. Now, let's go for that middle vowel sound. G, ass. G, Ass. What vowel makes the ah sound? If you said A, then you are correct. Gas has a short A vowel sound in the middle. Do you think that this is going along with our learning target for this week? Let's look at our learning target. I can read and spell words with a CVC pattern. Consonant, vowel, consonant. All three of those words have the consonant, vowel, consonant spelling pattern. Pretty cool. Looks like we're sticking to our target for today. What do you think? Now, let's go ahead and look at a new word. I hope that you've heard this in first grade, but we're going to go over it again. We're going to talk about what a syllable is. Now, a syllable is a word part that has a vowel sound. Some words have one syllable that has a vowel sound in it, and some words have many syllables that have vowel sounds into it. So every syllable has a vowel sound. That's very important. All right, so I am going to say a word, and I'm going to clap on each beat or syllable. Are you ready? Kitten. Kitten. Kitten has 2 syllables. Let's write it out. Kitten. We have 2 syllables in the word kitten. I wonder if this has a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern in it that goes along with our learning target today. Let's look. K-I-T. K is a consonant. I is a vowel. And T is also a consonant. So we know that this T is a consonant and E is a vowel. And an N is a consonant. So each one of the syllables in the word kitten has a vowel sound in it, just like I was talking about. How many syllables were in kitten? Kitten. There are 2 syllables. We divided that word right in there between the T's. Alrighty, let's look at another word. Ran. If each syllable has a 1 vowel sound in it, let's clap to the beat. Ran. I only heard 1 vowel sound, so it must have 1 syllable. Let's see. We have a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. Okay? So this word had 2 syllables, but ran only had 1 syllable because it only has 1 vowel sound in it. You know what? I'm having a really great day. I am having a fantastic day. Let's use the word fantastic. Ooh, that's a big word. I wonder how many syllables are in fantastic. Let's go ahead and clap that out. Fantastic. How many syllables did we count? Fantastic. Let's divide that word up. Fan. Ta. Fantastic. Let's see what our consonant, vowel, consonant pattern might be. I have a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. For our first syllable, I have T-A-S. T is a consonant. A is a vowel. S is also a consonant. T, we know, is a consonant. I is a vowel. And C is also a consonant. Fantastic. There are 3 syllables in. I wonder if we can use that same consonant, vowel, consonant pattern to help us to read words that maybe we're not sure of, that maybe we need to be able to sound out the different syllables to put those words together into one word. Let's look. Let's try this word. I'm not going to read that word out loud yet. I'm going to go ahead and label that word. An N is a consonant. A is a vowel. P is a consonant. K is a consonant. I is a vowel. And N is a consonant. It looks to me like we have a CVC pattern and another CVC pattern. Let's see. Let's go underneath here. App. App. Let's blend them together. App. Nap. 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 I think that's our first syllable. Let's go ahead and divide that right after that P. Look at our next syllable. K-I-N. K-I-N. How did I know to use the short I sound in this syllable? Because remember, when we have a CVC pattern, that usually means that the vowel between those two consonants has a short sound. So, K-I-N. 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 Kin. Kin. So let's put them together in one long word. Napkin. Napkin. We used our CVC spelling pattern to break apart a word into 2 syllables and help us to sound it out. That's pretty cool, guys. All right, so we will see you tomorrow, and I hope that you're having a good day. Don't forget, you're going to go back through and you're going to practice your high frequency words and build them with your letters, okay? Don't forget, it's going to be fun. I'll see you soon.